everyone, I'm going to make this recipe from the upcoming plant-based bundle. The bundle is happening on 28th of November until 7th of December. This is your chance to get my courses and you know, people like Run for Romance, Ron Etini, Choosing Chia, yeah, Chef AJ, Jillian Berry, Raw Sky. Yeah, we are all plant-based creators, chefs, coaches from all over the world. We're all coming together to bundle our offerings so you can get our ebooks and courses at a really cheap price. It's only $50 US, but it's worth more than $3,200 US. This is a sneak peek. The bundle's only happening on November 28th, but I thought I'll start letting you know because a lot of people will tell me like, oh, I didn't know what's happening. So yeah, letting you know. Okay, so today I'm going to make, okay, so this is a cook recipe. It's from Mr Jazz Guitarist, if you're wondering why I'm doing cook recipes. And it's the cream of potato soup. It's in the ebook soup season by the Viet Vegan. We say Viet, but I think like the white people say Viet. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I'm making some changes and some adaptations to it, make it oil free and also add in some more ingredients. I'll show you the ebook after this, and I'll also show you, I think in between when we're sauteing all that, I'll show you the bundle as well. Okay, so let's start. Let me just bring you guys overhead so you can see. Move the voice from home. Let me zoom in a bit because this is right. Okay. So the ingredients that she has is 2 tablespoons vegan butter. I'm not using butter. I'm just going to use oil. 1 medium onion, so I have the onion here, and then 4 cloves garlic. I forgot to order garlic, so I only have 1 clove. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. I think I'm going to use my psyllium husk instead because I don't have all-purpose flour because I'm raw vegan. I don't use it. And then she says 4 cups of vegetable broth, or 3 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of no chicken broth paste. I'm going to use water because she did say if you don't have vegan cream, substitute vegan cream for 2 cups of unsweetened soy milk. Use 3 cups of broth. I don't have unsweetened soy milk, so I'm just going to like blend this up. These are my like 2 cups of water plus a half cup of cashews to make it into plant-based milk. And then 1/4 cup of red lentils rinse, so that's my red lentils, which I have actually soaked for a bit. And then 1/4 cup nutritional yeast. I'm not going to use nutritional yeast, so I'm going to use a combination of miso paste, soy sauce, and shiokoji. And then salt and black pepper to taste, so I have some black pepper. Vegan cheddar shreds to garnish. Yeah, I think I have some vegan cheese, so I don't have cheddar. Fresh parsley. I don't have parsley. I do have some spring onions, what is what we call it here, green onions, so I think I'll use that. And okay, so let me just process this so that we can make the vegan milk. The vegan milk. Oh, I'm adding in some peas and some mushrooms. That's not in the recipe, but I just wanted Mr. Jazz Guitarist to have more nutrients. Yeah. Okay. So for me, the soup doesn't have to be silky smooth, so this is fine. Okay, and then so it says in a pot over medium heat, heat the milk, vegan butter and saute diced onion until translucent. Okay, we need to put the onions in. I'll just use the Thermomix to, yeah, dice the onions. So I'll put in a bit of water. And we'll saute this for about 3 minutes or so. At 100 Celsius. Okay. And then, oh, hello! Anal Velpy. Okay. So, let me just show you her ebook. Okay, so this is it says 10 vegan comforting soup recipes for soup season, an ode to good soup by Lisa. I don't know how to pronounce that L-A. Is it Le? Comment below if you know, the creator of the Viet Vegan. So I realized that in Malaysia we say Vietnamese, but I think other people say the Vietnamese. I'm not sure. Anyway, table of contents. It has introduction, secrets to a good soup, vegan broth breakdown, tomato bisque, jalapeno popper soup, chickpea noodle soup, chili, split pea soup, creamy mushroom soup, white bean and sausage soup, lasagna soup, hamburger soup, cream of potato soup. They look really good. Yeah, so that's her. And then she talks about secrets to a good soup. So she talks about potatoes. White potatoes tend to be the best. And then she talks about the broth and the bouillon cubes. That's the tomato bisque, jalapeno popper soup, chicken noodle soup, chili, split pea soup. It's your creamy mushroom soup, white bean and sausage soup. Is that the lasagna soup? I don't even eat lasagna. Yeah, hamburger soup. Ooh. And cream of potato soup. Yeah, that's how you can go check her out on Instagram, YouTube, The Viet Vegan. So, okay. Let me see, what else do I need? Add minced garlic and saute until creamy, about 1 minute. Okay. Alright. So, add minced garlic and saute. So we'll put in the garlic. I didn't really mince it properly. So we'll saute this for 1 minute. While we're doing that, let me show you the plant-based bundle. Yeah, so the link is in the description. You can go check it out. Use my link if you want to get my extra bonuses. The plant-based bundle is basically 70 plus ebooks, courses, and programs. Yeah, at a 99% discount. Without the bundle, it's 50. So there's something for everyone. There's healthy recipes, there's self-wellness, healthy dressings, juice and sauce recipes. It's a 99% discount. If you add everything up together, it's $3266.98 US. But with the bundle, hello, Live and Revive, with the bundle that is coming up on 28 November, is only $50 US. And these are all the ebooks and the courses in the bundle. Yeah, okay. Let's do this first. Add 1/4 cup all-purpose flour and stir to absorb the liquid. Slowly add 1/2 cup of broth and stir to fully hydrate the flour until no cook. So I'm gonna just, okay, I'll put in 1 cup. I'm just using water. And we'll put in the, I don't know why I put the sedum husk now. Wait. I'll just put it now. Just follow it. So instead of using the 1/4 cup of, yeah, I'll just use 1 tablespoon of sedum husk. I think I won't bother to stir it. I think I'll just
Let me stir a bit. Maybe I should. Okay, we'll stir it a bit. Yeah, so you can see it stir. Maybe for 10 seconds or something. Okay. And then, keep this in. Okay, as to stir in the remaining broth. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Anyway, rinse lentils and diced potatoes. Oh, okay. So we'll put in the lentils. Potatoes are supposed to be diced. I did not dice them only because if I put them in the Thermomix and I dice them, they're all like they just all break up. So that's why I did not do that. Although now I'm wondering whether I should just put it on the egg boiler thing. They won't. Yeah. Bring to a boil, lower to a steady simmer, then cover and cook for 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, so we bring it to a boil. Okay. Let me just show you. So let that bring to a boil. Let me show you. Yeah. Yeah. So there's the soup season one. You have things on juices, on high protein, kits, raw kit stuff, desserts, raw classics. Jillian berries here as well. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4. And that's my course, Chinese takeout course. I also have the food photography and food styling course, and I also have my Christmas showstoppers course. Choosing, yeah, I like this ebook a lot as well. Yeah, I want to make the drinks. I haven't made the drinks yet. I also like this ebook, Eat More Plants. Yeah, I like this one a lot as well. Crack, Spread, Repeat. That's by Nate. Raw Natty Nate. Smoothie Solution is also very good. Tales from the Tailgate is also very, very good. I've made a lot of recipes from here. Make It Raw Volume 4 is also very good. I made a lot of recipes from here. A Live Lunch is also very good. In fact, it's a whole course. It's really good. Hand Salads is also a very good ebook as well. And there's a and then because it's Christmas coming up and Thanksgiving is coming up, Raw Vegan Holiday is also very good. And then there's also raw soup, stews, chilies, and curries. I made a lot of recipes from here as well. And then there's also the raw sushi, nori rolls and bowls. There's a meditation course, tacos, Fat Man Rants, if you're a fan of Fat Man Rants. Yeah. Yeah. And then these are some courses. The Food Revolution docuseries is very good. Chef Adam of Cinnamon Snail is also very good. Yeah. So yeah, that is what that is. Okay, hold on. Okay, so just to let you know, the way this bundle works is each of us, so if you can see me, you can see like Lisa, the Viet Vegan, we all have a unique affiliate link for you to buy the course from. So if you buy the course from me, I get paid. If you buy the course from Lisa, she gets paid. So basically buy from the creator that you would like to support so that your dollars go to them. We get a commission when you buy. And then, yeah, so if you choose to buy using my link, I'd like to thank you. So I am working on a Ninja Creami Test Kitchen ebook. I already have like 10 or 11 recipes in there already, Ninja Creami recipes. I hope to at least have 15. But anyway, you will get that, my new ebook on Ninja Creami recipes. You will also get, I also do a live group Zoom call for everyone who buys the bundle using my unique link. So that will happen in January. And then I will also, I've already done these group Zoom calls. There will be 6. I will give you access to 6 of these live group Zoom calls. I've also made extra videos for you. So I have like 50 plus extra videos for you on how to make raw vegan tacos, raw vegan wraps, smoothies, sushi, and all that as well. Yeah, and you also get a guide to eating vegan food in Japan. So
yeah, those are the extra bonuses if you choose to use my link to thank you for your support. Okay, does anybody have any questions? If I don't think I saw any questions at all. If nobody has any questions, let's see. No. Ooh, what did I do? Okay. If there's no questions, no. Okay, if there are no questions, I'm gonna come back after we're done with this, and yeah, in about I think 15 minutes. Well, when the potatoes are soft, and then yeah, we'll continue with the cooking. Okay, and I'll do a taste test as well. Yeah. Alright, that's all for now. I'll see you in part 2. Okay, welcome back. The potatoes have been cooked, I think. Yeah, it's very soft already. Okay, so we're going to add in you know what, let me bring you guys over. Okay. Zoom in. Can we zoom in a bit? Okay, so we'll add in the snow peas. So this is not in the recipe, but so what happened was I was supposed to make another recipe with the snow peas, and then the bundle info came out, and I realized that I think the bundle is more important, so putting in that, and then mushrooms as well. Yeah, these are shimaji mushrooms. Yeah, go watch part 1 if you didn't see part 1. We're basically making the cream of potato soup with some changes, with some adaptations. This is a recipe from the Viet Vegan. This is going to be in the upcoming plant-based bundle that is going to take place from November 28th to December 7th. Yeah, I don't think the Sidimpus was a good idea. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this cook for like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna bring out the bring out. I think look for a bowl. Okay, let me just show you what I've been working on. This is the Test Kitchen Ninja Creami ice cream eBook less than mocha oat flour. It's a carrot oat. Mr Froyo. Did you put in the raspberry sauce? I don't think I did, right? I said for you. Oh, for this one. Okay. Blueberry. Spirulina. Mango coconut sorbet, good night sweet green. This is the one that I've got all life chocolate, blue ice cream. Yeah, so you get this ebook for free if you get the bundle using my unique link. Ooh, there's chunkadat. Oh, the black sesame I haven't put in yet. Yeah, so yeah. If you're wondering what's the bundle, this is the one I was talking about. Check out the link in the description.
You get all these ebooks and courses and guides for only $50 US. It's actually worth $3,000 if you add everything up. It's 3,266. More than 3,200. Yeah. Okay. Alright. And then, okay. Now it asks to, I'm supposed to add in the milk, but I don't know whether it's like too much. No, it's okay. I'm not going to, it doesn't need cooking. It says stir in the vegan cream and nutritional, then add salt and pepper to taste. So yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, if you have a Vitamix, then the cashew will be very, very nice and creamy. But because I don't have a Vitamix, no, I don't have a, my Vitamix isn't working. So yeah. And then, like I said, I'm not gonna put in the I'm not using nutritional yeast. I'll use a combination. Okay, so I'm gonna put in some miso. Oh, wait. This miso needs to melt, I forgot. Not melt, dissolve. Okay, so we'll put this here a bit. And then oh, I should have oh no, it's okay. Oh, it's so interesting because it looks like some egg drop. Yeah, it looks like some egg drop noodle thing. Because I put the psyllium and then I put the... And also because the cashews are not very smooth. Okay. We just wanted it to dissolve so that it doesn't come in as a blob. Okay. And let's taste this. Okay, so it needs the shiokoji. I'll do 1 tablespoon. So this is basically made with koji, japonica rice, Celtic sea salt, and filtered water. And then let's taste it again. We're going to put some soy sauce in as well. Half wondering whether I put the nooch in or not. Put a bit in 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce. Now it looks like porridge, haha. And then, actually I do have this golden salt as well. So we might do that as well, depending. Oh, is this the one that, but this is the one where like, I think it got spoiled or something, so. I don't know whether I can just open the whole thing and stick it out. I was trying that day. You know what, if I can't, I'll just put the crazy salt. Yeah. Definitely needs some salt and pepper. Hold on. Yeah, Dave Spice sent this to me some time ago. I still have it. So. That should do the trick, and then we'll put in some pepper as well. I think the pepper, I'll just do it on top. Actually, no. Well, I do want to put it on top because, but I just want to taste this. Serrano pepper. Very good. Plus, it's nice to have the snow peas. Okay, so we're gonna I realize there's some miso stuck here. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna pour this out. And okay. Garnish with the spring onions. Okay. So there you go, cream of potato soup with adaptations. Yeah. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Go check out the link in the description on the plant-based bundle. It only happens 28 November until the 7th of December, and it won't be the same configuration when it comes back again next year. And if you want to support my work, please use my unique link to get it, and I will also send you extra bonuses, so thank you for your support.
Okay, that's all for now, and I'll see you another time. Bye. If you have questions, you're watching the replay, comment below, and yeah, I'll answer them.